In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track LinkedIn ads conversions, page load, and events. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the process. First, we need to set things up in LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Start by navigating to the Analyze section and then click on Insight Tag. You will see a drop-down labeled, I will use a tag manager. From there, locate your partner ID. This ID is essential as it connects LinkedIn to your tracking setups. Next, open Google Tag Manager, commonly referred to as GTM. Here, you'll want to create a new tag. It's helpful to name this tag something recognizable, for example, LinkedIn Insight tag. Then you should choose LinkedIn Insight 2.0 as the tag type. Now, here's where you'll enter the partner ID that you noted from LinkedIn. Be sure to set the trigger for this tag to all pages. This means the tag will be active on every page of your website, allowing you to track overall conversions. Once done, save your changes, submit them, and don't forget to publish these changes in GTM. The next step is creating a conversion using the page load method. This method is particularly useful when users land on a specific page, such as a thank you or confirmation page after a desired action. In LinkedIn, return to the Analyze section, select Conversion Tracking, and then click on Create a Conversion. Choose the online conversion option available. Now it's time to define your conversion. Here, you'll give your conversion a name, set the necessary rules, and choose the campaigns you want to track. It's crucial to select the tag type, so make sure to choose Use a Tag Manager. Next, you'll need to set the page load rules. This means selecting the type of page load to track. Enter the URL path of the specific page you want to use for conversion tracking. For example, you might use contains for your URL match, so if your page has a thank you message, you would enter contains thank you. After setting this up, click on Create. Now, let's create a conversion that uses an event-specific pixel. This method tracks particular actions on your website, such as a button click or a form submission. Again, go to LinkedIn, click on Analyze, then Conversion Tracking, and hit Create a Conversion. Select the Online Conversion option here as well. From the options provided, you'll want to choose the event-specific pixel option. At this point, be sure to take note of both the Partner ID and Conversion ID. These will be important for your GTM configuration later on. Back in GTM, create a new tag and let's call it something descriptive like LinkedIn Button Click. Choose LinkedIn 2.0 as the tag type and enter both the partner and conversion IDs you noted earlier. Now, for the trigger. Create a trigger by selecting Click All Elements and set this to fire on some clicks. This is where the magic happens. To ensure accuracy, use the Inspect tool on your website to find the specific button class or URL related to the action you want to track. Once everything is set, save the changes and again remember to publish in GTM. And there you have it. You're all set to track your LinkedIn ads conversions effectively. Happy tracking!